How to turn on or off vanish mode on Instagram. If any day you are an Instagram user and you would like to enable the vanish mode and also disable the vanish mode once again on Instagram, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you have to tap on the very Instagram application, and this way Instagram will be launched on your mobile device. Now you have to go to the message like icon on your mobile device, and after you go to the message like icon on your mobile device, you have to tap on the very person whom you would like to just enable or disable the very option or the vanish mode. After that, you have to just scroll there and then you can go to the very option there. You can just scroll upwards as well for a while, and after that you can see that the vanish mode is turned on. So if you scroll it in a very hard time once only, you can see that the vanish mode will be turned on. And again, if you would like to swipe the very vanish mode or just disable the very vanish mode there, you have to just swipe up once again, and after you turn or you have to just swipe up, you can see that the vanish mode will be turned off. So this way you can just swipe up and your vanish mode will be turned on, and again you have to swipe up and once again your vanish mode will be turned off. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.